as soldier of self-mastery, as philosopher of everyday victorious living, as student of self-empowerment or self-improvement, Santos Rolon Jr. is my encouragement. Now, I'm going to go through with this video. I want to share a few things with us. I want to remind us. I don't want to talk at you. I really want to remind us. The good life will come out of a series of good, positive reminders, and we need to be reminded. We need reminders. We need to be reprogramming our mindset every single day. We need to be constantly thinking about these things. Mindset, possibility mindset, relationship building. Relationship building is key to success. It's key to business. It's key to generating more income at the workplace. It's key to being able to make the best out of your own personal boot camp at home. Or maybe you're in the military and you're catching this video. It really doesn't matter where you are in life. What matters, what truly matters, number one, is that you are thinking about the grace that has been given to you by your Maker, and you're developing that grace. You're becoming more thankful. You're taking your eyes off of the complaints. In other words, you're complaining a lot less, and you're challenging yourself to complain, if possible, not at all. Now, again, that is a challenge. Self-improvement is a challenge, and we should desire to become our very best. We should desire to fail. It's okay to fail. You failed. I failed. It's okay. We should be learning from our failures. We should be definitely learning from our failures and just going forward, thinking about what we need to be doing, building ourselves, educating ourselves in this realm in regards to networking, marketing, branding, relationship building, overcoming the things that we want to overcome in our life. You and I are in control, and we give permission to these things in our lives. We give permissions to positive habits and negative habits. So in order to truly be successful, number one, we really have to be working on ourselves. We should be really working diligently to understand relationships, communication, asking the right questions, listening, being extremely patient, especially in volatile situations. I share quite a bit in my videos. I'm working on changing my life. That's the key, is being an influence to other people. You really can't influence other people unless you are influencing yourself. And that is a very, very dynamic life hack that you should be working on and developing in your life every single night, every single day. As you go forward, you got to think about your goals. You got to think, no, it's not about thinking, it's about planning. It's about how am I going to achieve. It's really not even about writing it down anymore. It's really about how am I going to achieve this thing. Do I really want to achieve this thing? Is this what I truly and honestly want? You are only going to build in your life, you're going to get good at in your own life, in the things that you truly enjoy, in the things that you truly believe in, whatever it is that you feel can be a part of your life, a core value, a philosophy, something that you believe in, something that you follow, that's what you'll excel at in life. And I tell you, I'm truly excited. I'm truly excited for change. I'm truly excited for transformation. I'm truly excited for hope. I'm truly excited for the ability to learn how to speak to oneself, how to take control of your own individual person, learning how to respond versus reacting, practicing the art of listening, practicing the art of self-talk. What about your mind when your mind tries to paralyze you with self-defeating thoughts that almost bring fear upon you? We have to overcome, we have to distract those thoughts that would hold us back and would lie to us and would try to make us believe, to move us in the wrong direction in life. I believe God has given us the ability to do some really great things. I believe that God has given us the ability to expand, to influence, to learn, to grow. And we've made it difficult for ourselves with all the distractions, the wrong focus, and the way that we talk to ourselves when we're by ourselves, especially when you're by yourself. How do you talk to yourself when you are by yourself, my friend? I'm telling you, what I'm sharing with you in this video, and I'm going to keep this video, I'm going to end it soon here, but I really want you to think about this. By the way, I'm asking you for a thumbs up. I'm asking you to go down into the description area if you've enjoyed this video, if you've gotten something out of it, if you've been kind of energized in some way, share this video. Donate financially to this mission. Donate to Soldiers of Self-Mastery. Team up with me. We can help other people think better, think stronger, think relationships. I believe relationships is the nucleus. I believe it's if you can build relationships, if you can network. I mean, it takes time. It takes a lot of patience. It takes work. When you begin to do this, it has a big payoff. And I believe that's one of the reasons why people are where they are, because they don't step out of their shell. They don't step out of that comfort zone. We forget that we're servants. We are to serve. We are to bring value. We're to find ways to bring value to the marketplace, to the lives of other people. And you're a valuable person, and you've got the ability within you to bring value into the lives of other people. You have the ability to bring value to the marketplace, my friend, regardless of what someone says or what even your mind would try to even paralyze you with. You have the ability. You have to muster the strength. You got to exercise your will in order to get into those recesses of untapped energy in your life. If you want to become your very best, my friend, you're gonna fail. You're in the valley just like I'm in the valley. That should not hold you up in any way. In fact, that should empower you to get yourself going forward even faster. It's going to be a new year. It's going to be this year. What will this year bring? How will we find ourselves into the middle of this new year? How will our mindset be when we enter into the month of January and go into the month of February? What will your mindset be like as you go into 2019? I don't know if you think like I do. I get a little bit out there. Like I said, I seize the moment. I try to make the best out of my thoughts. Of course, I can listen to this video over and over. Hopefully you've gotten some notes, you've gotten some good ideas, you've gotten some observations from listening to this micro speech. And I appreciate you for doing that. We've been here 12 minutes. I hope that you've gotten to this place here where you're actually really just motivated to do something very, just something that you're going to continue to do in your life, day after day, day after day, day after day, day after day. That's reality. We want lasting results. We don't want quick fixes. Build relationships, get along with family within the structure of mother and father. Build business, network with people, lift people up, learn how to listen to people, learn how to smile, learn how to have good posture. Learn to develop your superpowers that are inside of you that you haven't even tapped into yet. What do you mean superpowers? I'm talking about the abilities that you have deep down inside yourself to do some greater things. You are a lot greater than what you're expressing right now, my friend. You can do way more than what you're doing right. You can live way more. You can be more positive. You can be more energetic. There's a lot more that you can be than what you're expressing right now. Yes, it takes work. Yes, it's a process. Yes, it's life hacking. Yes, it's determination. You gotta want it. Yes, it's hope. So what can we walk away from in this video, in this micro speech? What can you and I walk away from here? It's been a lengthy video, but what can we take away? What challenge are you willing to bring upon yourself in order to get to that next level of living, where you're transforming yourself, literally transforming yourself physically, to become the very best version of yourself? So, with that said, once again, please, on a thumbs up, comment below, share this video on another social media site, comment below, let me know, if you've enjoyed this video, something that you've gotten out of it. The important thing for me is that you take away something from this video. You walk away with something that's going to be beneficial, that you can, however you want to turn it around and bring it into your life, you can make something better happen for yourself. That's what this video is all about. So that's what Soldiers of Self-Mastery is all about. That's what Soldier of Self-Mastery is all about. And self-empowerment life coach. I'm just going to continue to look forward, man. I'm going to continue to push. I'm going to continue to write. I'm going to continue to think. I'm going to continue to imagine. I'm going to continue to use my creativity to work on myself, to become the person. You can do the same thing, my friend. You can do it. You've got it within you. If I can, you can. So I challenge you as I challenge myself. You'll grow. You'll feel better about yourself. You'll feel way better. You'll have a greater sense of wellness, a sense of well-being. I mean, that's powerful in and of itself. A greater sense of well-being. Man, I can go on and on. Anyways, I'm gonna see you at the top on the inside, my friend. Be excited. I'm looking forward to Fridays. I think it's episode number 44 of Friday Night Alive Power Hour. We're going to talk about the mind. We're going to talk about paralyzing thoughts. We're going to talk about how to deal with thoughts, how to deal with your mindset, and why people are stuck, and how to get unstuck. Peace through strength. Remember to make every day super fantastic, terrific, and over the top, in spite of and because of. I salute you, my friend. I respect you. I support you. I cheer you on. I challenge you. I appreciate you. Until my next one. Peace.